Are you familiar with this sort of thing? You'd like to install some new shelves, but dread the complex and annoying signs of dowel holes? Or have you always wanted to fix the front panelling back on your chest of drawers? And it's high time the wardrobe was seen to as well, preferably without having to take it all apart. Well, we have the answer for you, because WOLFCRAFT's new undercover jig is the practical aid for all concealed wood screw joints. See for yourself how quickly and simply you can do these jobs in future. Using the undercover jig, your shelf has been installed in just a few minutes, accurately and securely, and the screw joints are invisible. Simply drill, pop the screws in, done. For fixing the torn off chest panelling, you need just 2 minutes. Simply drill, pop the screws in, done. You can fix your wardrobe in future just as quickly and with precision without having to take it all apart. Simply drill, pop the screws in, done. The principle of a concealed screw joint is based on producing a slanting borehole using the undercover jig and the twist drill. A clamping screw is then screwed into the hole. This screw holds both pieces of wood together with absolute precision and very securely. For permanent and extremely durable joints, the boards can be glued in addition. Of course, you can also fix the shelf with the bore holes on the outside, so whatever job you do, you can choose the best way to do it. Just as easily, you can also fix the shelf section in other positions. And if you want to hide the holes, simply close them off and make them practically invisible using the round, slanting dowels provided. Picture frames or radiator covers, where only the front of the frame is visible, are other practical examples of how the undercover jig can be used. For these, using the undercover jig, 2 holes are drilled first of all into each end of the frame. Then the whole frame can be clamped and firmly and permanently secured using 2 screws into each corner. The undercover jig can also be used to precision join frames by a miter. If the frame is not glued, you should always drill 2 holes for each miter. Then clamp together the frame and clamp each of the corners. By inserting 2 clamping screws into each corner, you get a very secure, precision-mitered joint, even without using glue. Shelf boards that are only mounted on supports can easily slide forward and tilt. With the undercover jig, you can fasten these boards in a flash so they don't slide anymore. Simply drill, pop the screws in, done. The undercover jig will also fix wardrobe panelling that has come away in less than 2 minutes. Just swivel back the catch and drill a hole using the twist drill. Then insert a clamping screw and tighten everything up. The WOLFCRAFT undercover jig is the practical solution for all fast fix jobs and should be in every home's toolkit.